Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where you get a little everything Jamaican. I am Michelle and with me is my husband Marcel, and today we are going to see Miss Topsy. But before we do that, please remember to like, to share and to subscribe to the channel so once you post a new video you will be updated. Alright, so let's go see her right now. Alright everyone, so we are heading up right now to Miss Topsy. Marcel bringing her a box, and just want to say thanks to our 2 anonymous donors who would have made this possible. Thank you so much. God bless you richly. I know Miss Topsy will appreciate this greatly. It's about, I think, to 1 now.
5 minutes to 1.
5 minutes to 1. Normally we come into Miss Topsy, we come already, because you know we have to climb the hill and the sun and so on. The sun is not so bad.
Miss Topsy cook our dinner already, you know.
Me know.
Well, we'll catch dinner. The road brush out, you know, you see it?
Yeah, it's looking nice. The advantage of coming now is that the shoes not wet.
Yeah.
When we come in the early morning, we have a lot of dew on the grass, so inside our sneakers usually get wet. Whew. Resting.
Who do that?
I'm asking you.
Yeah.
Okay.
I reach more, I reach.
Me too. Oh Lord. Why, Marcel? You pretty much fly over the hill with the box.
You know, hear me a blow. Puppy knows say we are coming.
Yeah, man. Puppy alert. Oh Lord. Okay.
You're a coward, man. Like that chain here, you know, move.
She now get up because she know we. Miss Topsy? No! We just reach. We just reach and get.
They call me.
No, we never call you yet.
Miss Topsy.
But we just reach and
They not too bad.
Yes.
we just reach and I make one phone call. The phone rang, so we're answering it. So me don't know. I thought you were sleeping because me don't hear you come out.
I cook.
You cook? You're not done yet, but you eat out the pot.
A little cabbage me a steam but me feel hungry.
Oh, so you taste it.
So me long for see you.
Oh Lord, let me stop saying we just come, my dear. You miss me already?
That boy.
We not leave for you. We can't look for.
I sound no pretty.
Thank you, Miss Topsy.
God bless me the pound.
Yes, thank you so much. Yes, man. God's blessing is on you as well.
Yes, I know.
Absolutely. Yes, man.
Can still save my life.
Yes, absolutely. Oh, Lord.
My God.
So we have to stop and breathe a bit.
Yes.
The hill tough.
Yes, man. We can carefully manage it.
It's a tough hill.
Every day I say beg God to me get some and left out there. But when me little hole of how me I go manage.
Oh, gee.
I can't manage you.
The Lord will make a way.
Yeah.
Yeah.
When me very younger now, me take you make nothing.
Yeah, you're up and down real quick.
Go for water. Go shop. I me have to walk. Actually, mile and a half to go shop.
Yes.
We never have easy when we young, you know.
Yes.
But we get good feeding.
Yes.
Long fish, you know. I told me nothing. Pig, you know, but long fish, you
You're
know.
long to see, don't?
Yes.
Oh, gee. A couple days now we are come and we finally reach.
Yeah.
Yeah, because every time we plan, then something come up and we have to reschedule.
Oh, my gosh.
Yes, man.
The blessing get pound no do. Your husband.
Thank you, Miss Topsy. Thank you. Yes,
Blessing
man.
get pound no man. And the devil people ugly, you know. The devil people ugly.
They're ugly.
They don't want to smile. Not
Yes, yes. No love in the heart.
I mean, I like them, the people there. Me no hate them, but me no bother talk to them.
Okay, you keep far. So, Miss Topsy, we're bringing some groceries. We have 2 anonymous donors who sent donations. And so we're able to buy grocery and bring you.
Yes.
And we'd have added some things that we received in barrels as well.
Yes.
So these are your grocery, and we bought you chicken, so you have chicken for tomorrow.
Yes, tomorrow. Sunday.
And your special seasoning where you like to use it in there.
Thank you, God. God bless you.
You are welcome. You're welcome.
And thank you for climb up this tall hill, we come up here, we carry little food.
Yes, you're welcome, Miss Topsy. No problem.
I know so, Paulo did carry. Actually, don't know. I'm going to have a little rice there.
Yes.
And one of my good friends. We know down now the road.
Yes, we know him.
Yes, down now, all you give me things.
Oh, wow. Yes. Wonderful.
Yeah, me know my mother. Family was a little girl.
Yes. Okay.
Me a big woman for down now.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, man. So we're Junior, Miss Topsy, in Ghana Bush.
Yes, in Ghana Bush.
Oh, okay.
I work for one of my cousins up there. So. But you know I don't behavior.
You can't get big in, so the cat climbing from up the top where the plates are.
Up there and go spy.
Oh.
To see when Junior come. I hear when
Watch
I hear when Junior talk, he come tear down the door.
Oh.
See him come down and now
Yes.
see around no come.
Oh.
See him come down.
You're a spine cat.
Yes.
You grow big, man. A pretty cat. Pretty face.
But you know I can't cry for food. I just take up like 1 cup of drink of water.
He might cry.
He start to cry.
Most cats stay that way.
Puppy him not holler, but he will look.
Yes.
But him, sometimes Junior we ask him say if he no get no food. We say no ask him that. Come in and eat and no give him.
Yeah, but even though you give him food, he still cry. Even though you give him food, he cry.
Yes, his belly have it full, come up to his neck. Before he start, he no cry.
Relax.
And I think he done he gone out the door and work. Catch up and a bug.
Yes.
Yes, man, so me thank you. No.
You are welcome,
You
Mr.
want to care for me. God bless you. No.
Yes.
And be on the store basket never be empty.
Yes, yes. And we extend thank you as well to the donors.
Yes.
You know.
Yes.
Yeah, we thank you for your sacrifice.
Yes. The store basket never empty. Don't care how long you see it take.
Yes.
It's not go empty pipe food in your wait for you.
That's true.
That is the most important thing, you know, when you have food. And shelter over here.
Yes.
But if you're hungry, you're not happy.
That's true. Yeah.
Not happy.
Have to have food on the table.
Yes.
Yes.
If you even don't want to, you like seat.
Yes. I guess you're hungry more when you know that nothing is there.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. All right, Miss Topsy, so you want me to bring in the box for you?
Yes, ma'am.
You want to do it, Marcel?
I can't bring it.
I suppose I can bring it, yes.
It's heavy.
Can I bring up the hill?
If you come up the hill,
I'll short distance.
up the hill, no easy. Up the hill, no easy.
Up the hill of fame task, yeah, Miss Topsy.
Stop it.
You know what do me?
What happened?
Put your gum there now, me be pack them out.
Okay.
You know what aim wrong with me? This thing, I said, well, the thing there where you boil the sour sap leaf and drink.
Nerves.
Nerves.
Oh.
I sometimes I go, when me do, I go to the road and me meet my brother. And me I talk to him, me tap and I talk to him, and so me just a tremble.
Oh. So you...
He said, look how you are tremble, my sister.
So from when that start happening to you?
Since me take out the teeth
Oh.
and the year I work, so me wonder if I do too much work.
Yeah, you have to rest during the day as well. Maybe you need to catch a little nap during the days.
I can't sleep early.
Can't sleep a day.
No.
If you
Me
sleep,
lay down, but me can't sleep.
And maybe if you sleep during the day too, then when night come you go up.
Yes. So, or if me even sleep during the day. When night come, me make one cup of coffee or one cup of green tea
Yes.
and keep myself lay down when I sleep.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
So I now directly practice to sleep at daytime.
You have to go try that sour sap leaf, Miss Topsy, and see.
No boil more.
Yes. Oh, you did get some already? Okay.
No boil more with young banana.
Oh, you boil it with young banana?
Yeah, man.
The skin or the banana itself?
Yes, bossy wash them and chew in there.
Oh.
But the skin that I pick up on it.
Yes.
Cause the skin the iron in it.
Yes. Oh. So you put sugar in it?
If you want.
Okay.
So iron you want?
I don't think so.
But the nerve, she want for help.
But they want, yeah, the nerves weak.
Yeah.
But doctor give me enough iron pill, you know. But it did not help me.
They not help. But since you have the nerve, since you have the nerve issue, you know, go back to the doctor yet. So maybe when you go next time, you can let him know.
I go back there next month.
Yes.
If life's there.
Yes.
You know, some maybe I want to look for them people down at Albertown there.
But remember, last time you said you go to Albertown, but you couldn't get to go look for them.
And me I sit up, but me feel sometimes like say me no want to go nowhere. And the next time me feel like me
You don't go somewhere.
And when me think of the long walking to go there, so
You nobody want to go.
God have mercy.
Yes, man. It's a long journey to get out by trying.
Yes. And you know, but still I want me a picnic.
Taxi, the taxi used to run come round.
No, but through me strong.
Oh, okay.
So me just walking.
But now it get challenging.
That bother me now.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
We left everything to God.
Yes, man.
And He will help me.
Absolutely. Yeah.
When I say, God, me couldn't tell when we got Albertona. They have me good people them down there. No one go look for them.
Yes.
But and you know what too? You see? And I hear, sir,
Yeah.
the foot tap. When you're ready, it just bubble up and a pain me.
Bubble up how?
Stiff.
Oh.
Stiff.
Like a muscle? Oh, muscle pain? Oh.
So the alcohol now me have to depend on.
Yeah, we carry one for you too.
Yeah?
Yeah, the same one. The what's it called? Evergreen?
Evergreen.
Yes.
Yeah, one green one.
Yes.
Yeah, I hit me by.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
God bless you. No.
You are welcome. Thank you, Miss Topsy.
It must stiff up all at night time. Lord God.
And the alcohol help?
Yes, it's not too bad.
Okay.
From the rub from my knee go right down under my foot bottom.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm never had nothing here for you. No. Nothing.
Just give your love, Miss Topsy.
Yes. Thank God
Yes.
we take care of everything.
Yeah, yes, man.
Yes.
Indeed.
Yes.
Yes.
What happened to the donors them? Yeah, they still over there.
Yes, man. You mean overseas? Yes.
Okay. And my phone now work so good. They call Kenisha.
Yes. And you get her?
No, me no get her. The woman say, you want
Credit? But me send you credit the last time. Remember we said we would have sent it, but when I sent it, I was calling you to let you know that we sent it, but the phone was just ringing. So there is credit on it. No. You never see it.
We can't check everything.
I'm gonna check it for you. We sent it, man. I was calling to let you know. I remember when we were leaving, we said that we'd send it and call you and let you know. But when we were calling, it was just ringing without an answer. So the credit is on it.
They're going to get the and show it.
Yes, yes.
But at two times I call her and you know him a call say, what make me won't call Kenisha? Me ungrateful.
Oh, that
All big Christmas me no see her.
Oh, but him should have just help you call her and show you.
I thought he no understand it.
So him not quarrel let him not understand it.
He no understand it. But why want to, you know what him want to do now? When he take his phone, he put alcohol in there.
I can't manage.
Sanitize the people.
I saw him do the other phone. May I come?
All right, Miss Topsy.
I saw him do with the other phone. He put alcohol in there.
Oh boy.
And sometime when they hear it ring, I'm going to take up it and answer it. But it not ring no more than 2 times.
Say charge up? Let me see it. Yeah, see there. You have $220 something. We sent you $200.
The woman say him, you know, maybe put credit on it.
Okay, let me check and see if it's sending out call. That she said it should.
Service expired.
Yeah, so you have to put a credit on it directly. Oh. Yeah, that happened. So the service experiment stops you. We have to get a credit and put it on the phone directly.
How shall you go?
I suppose so. No, somewhere else?
I guess you can just buy it at the machine and then send it.
And then send it. Oh, rather than me send, because what I did was to send it from my phone.
Oh.
So we have to just get it buy it at the machine and then send it to it, and then you can use it.
Okay.
Yes.
But it depends it.
Yes, man. That credit is on it. You just can't use it because the service expire. Maybe
Take too long.
take too long to put the credit on.
Oh.
That's the reason why. So we're going to stop at the machine and make them send the credit directly to your phone.
You want to give you $1,000 and you get it for me?
No, man, you can't. How much credit you want, sir?
Maybe 3 or 2.
200? We can't get it.
2. No, 200. The credit itself. Either 3 credit or 2 credit.
We can't get it. Machine not working. Is it? Okay. I don't think the machine in Troy working.
No,
so when we go to Christiana, we do it.
It not work.
Yeah, not work.
Plenty.
All right, so we do that for you then.
Me are glad.
All right, Miss Topsy, so we're going to leave now.
Yes. And you take care.
Yes, man, and you do the same as well.
Yes, you. Why you not fit so long to go and look for me?
You know, if it take too long, tell me when we will come back.
Anytime you're ready. Anytime.
At that time, we're ready. So it takes a while.
Anytime.
All right.
Yes.
All right, guys. So this is where we end the video for today. Thanks so much for making it a Likkle Everyting Jamaican. Blessed love. Stay safe and bye-bye. All right, Miss Topsy. Won't take so long.
And you tell the donors thanks to me.
Oh, yes. Donors. You want to say thanks too?
Yes. And,
All right.
And thank you, donors.
Yes.
For all what you have done to me.
All right.
I appreciate it. Be good to yourself.
All right.
Yes.
Okay. Thanks so much, donors. Much love and blessing. All right.
Until I see you again.
All right.
But me don't know when. You put them. Now let me go.
Oh.
And me want to go something out of Albertown, you know.
You want to go Albertown? Oh.
But one morning when me have me bath, me go take it one tick, walk go down off high hill, and take time go there.
Yes, yes.
But me don't know when yet.
All right.
Yes.
All right, guys. Blessed love. Bye-bye.
Look here, you know some. Me will have one bunch of ripe banana. Say, they're gonna leave one for you.
Oh.
And you know, say, one little mouse.
Oh, no.
They have one little mouse. I come here and he eat, bite up it.
Oh, no.
Bite up the
So
banana.
that means I can't now work, Miss Topsy.
No, in the kitchen, me keep the banana.
Oh, so I can't now work at kitchen.
It can't.
Work in the house. All right. Bye, guys.
Oh, so.